Alright, last lesson for the unit of measurement. It's pretty exciting. So we're looking at the surface area and volume of square base pyramids and cones. There's a little video here if you're interested in what's going on with this, particularly to do with volume. Again, won't be able to watch at school, but hopefully if you're interested you can click on that on the share page. Again, our formulas are here and here. And we're basically just going to be punching values into those. So let's look at question 1. So if we've got we're looking for the surface area, so the total surface area of this shape, it's 2 times the base length times the slant length plus the base squared, which in this case is 2 times 3 times 5 plus 3 squared. I'll turn my speakers off, I'm getting a bit of feedback. And that is 30 plus 9 meters squared. To find the volume, we need the height of this shape. So to do that, we can use Pythagoras. So I've done 5 squared equals 1.5 squared plus h squared. Calculated h to be 4.77. And we can use this volume formula here. So that is 3 squared times the height, which is 4.77, divided by 3. We're going to need our calculator. (14.31). meters cubed. So again, just punching into those volume formulas. I've probably given you a sheet by now that has all the different formulas. Definitely use whatever volume calculation is there. There's different ways to do a lot of this stuff, so whatever works for you. Alright, here, total surface area of this. Base length, of course, is 10. Slant height, 13. And our base squared is 10 squared. So that's going to be 260 plus 100, which is 360. No units here. That's it. No more calculation needed. 360 centimeters, meters squared, whatever it is. Volume, same kind of thing. You'd need to find the height. Let's see if I can represent that here. To do that, you're saying that this is going to be 5 meters, so then you'd have a little triangle here of 5, 13, and you want to find out what h is. And then you can use this volume formula. Let's look at cones, same kind of thing, just putting values into these different pronumerals. So total surface area for this first shape is pi times the radius, which is 5, times the slant height, which is 13, plus pi 5 squared. That's just the area here, and then this part is finding the kind of area around the cone, if you rolled it out. What's that going to be? Can't think right now. 13 times 5, of course, 65 pi, plus 25 pi, getting us to a nice 90 pi. I'll leave you to approximate that on your calculators. Of course, that would be meters squared. So let's find h as well. So we've got our triangle, and we've got 5h and 13. So we're going to do 13 squared minus 5 squared equals h squared. I'm going to have to enlist the calculator. Oh no, I think I can do this one in my head. Alright, so we end up with 144 equals h squared, same as square rooting both sides. So h equals 12. And now we can find the volume. So pi 5 squared times the height, which is 12, all over 3. And that's 25 times 12. Can't do that in my head too quickly. I could have 300 pi over 3, which is 100 pi meters cubed, since we're finding the volume. Again, I'm just putting in these values into the formulas. You'll be given these on the test, so you just need to know how to use them, really. Alright, some big numbers coming up here. Total surface area, same thing, pi, not 28, 14 times 50, pi 14 squared, so 14 times 50, and 14 squared, so 700 pi plus 196 pi, which is 896 pi meters squared. And you can approximate that if you'd like. Volume, let's go back to our formula. So it's pi r, in this case 14. Oh, did I? Oh, no, that's all right. Yep. Times the height, which is 48, all over 3. Oh, my screen's going a bit weird there. All right, let's try putting that in the calc. So 14 squared times by 48 divided by 3. Oh, what just happened there? 14 squared times by 48 divided by 3. 3136 pi. Oops. And I'm sure you're desperate to know what that is. Rounded. 9852.03 meters cubed, because we're talking volume. Well, it's a long video to finish off. So again, just make sure you've got all those formulas ready to go. Hopefully you've got a formula sheet with you when you're working through these questions. Again, you will on the test. So have a crack at those. Watch this YouTube if you're interested in how the volume of a square-based pyramid works. Otherwise, congratulations, you have finished all the measurement videos. Well done.